What if your kayak could do more? Meet Saturn KaBoat, a revolutionary crossover between an inflatable kayak and an inflatable boat. KaBoat was first created by Boats to Go in 2006, the original design that started it all. While many companies have tried to copy it since, there's only one true KaBoat, proudly made by Boats to Go. KaBoat is a registered trademark of Boats to Go. What sets the KaBoat apart is its unique, narrow profile. Instead of the typical inflatable boat-wide design, the KaBoat is longer and sleeker, cutting through the water with minimal resistance. This innovative shape lets you achieve impressive speed using a smaller, more efficient outboard motor, saving weight, fuel, and cost without sacrificing performance. You can paddle it anywhere, ocean, bay, river, or lake. And when you get tired, just switch to the motor and keep going. It's that simple. The new SK470 KaBoat takes everything to the next level. More space, more comfort, and more possibilities. With longer tubes and a wider design, it carries more passengers and gear while staying incredibly stable and easy to handle. Thanks to 2 sets of oarlocks, you can choose your ideal rowing position or go tandem for twice the fun. And when the adventure's over, it deflates and fits right into a medium-sized bag. Easy to carry, easy to store, ready for your next destination. Compared to regular kayaks or inflatable boats, KaBoat gives you flexibility to paddle or use a motor, stability to stand, walk, or fish, space for more gear and passengers, speed with less water resistance, and affordability that beats most boats and kayaks. Go anywhere, do anything, KaBoat it.